Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a comprehensive assessment of zones of special operations ZOSOs should begin this year to determine their effectiveness and the way forward.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang gave the update in the House of Representatives, which voted to extend the ZOSOs for another 180 days.
It's been almost a decade since the first ZOSO was declared in Mount Salem, St. James. That September 17 announcement paved the way for ZOSOs in 6 other communities to reduce crime and empower residents.
Therefore, we are moving deliberately towards a new model, one that includes the transition of the zones into zones of peace and opportunity, where peace is not merely enforced, but embedded, sustained, and driven by opportunity created in those communities. Accordingly, Madam Speaker, I wish to bring to the attention of this House that the government is currently taking decisive steps toward this transition.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says data is needed to scale up operations and roll out the new model. Powered by grant funding from the Inter-American Development Bank (IDB), a comprehensive ZOSO study is expected to begin in July 2026.
It will allow us to determine what has worked, what has not, and how best to scale the most effective elements across the country. Critically, it will inform and guide our transition to the zones of peace and opportunity. The objectives of this research include, among other things, to assess not only the financial costs and benefits of the zones, but also to quantify their social and environmental impact, to identify, evaluate, and prioritize initiatives that deliver the highest social value, ensuring that resources are directed toward intervention with the greatest potential for economic and community transformation.
Opposition leader Mark Golding supported the study but made this observation.
It's not obvious to many people that they really serve any continuing useful purpose. I mean, when I go through Augustown, when I go through Denhamtown, I don't pass through, man. When may I check you? There's very little to show for it in terms of any saturated military or law enforcement presence. There's usually just a little checkpoint where somebody is stationed. You're looking forlorn, usually.
Mr. Golding called for a ministerial statement and a fulsome discussion on the use of ZOSOs, adding that it's a legal regime which reduces rights and increases the powers of law enforcement.
I hope that we will hear from you soon again on where you plan to take these communities and when we can expect to see the zone of special operations mechanism withdrawn from these communities and something more comprehensive, perhaps island-wide in areas which need a kind of care and attention being rolled out to the benefit of the residents of those communities that need that.
ZOSOs have been extended in Mount Salem, St. James, Parade Gardens and Denhamtown, Kingston, Augustown, Greenwich Town and Norwood in St. Andrew, as well as Savlamar, Westmoreland.